If you would love to make money while playing games, then watch this video, because I'm going to show you a few apps that you could use to start making money online while you play games. This student here made over £1,000 doing the same thing. Now, results are not typical. You might make more, you might make less, you might make nothing at all. Before you do anything, make sure you make your own research. Okay, if you're ready, now let's jump right into this video. This right here is a bold claim from this app. Total rewards over $31,000. Okay, now if we move on to the next one, you're gonna see here that this app is basically all about answering questions. Okay, you can see a question here. This is the second question out of 50 questions, and then all you've got to do is to answer the questions and you will win cash prizes. Okay, if we check it here, you're gonna see that this shows the leaderboard. It shows you the people leading. This guy here has $22. This person has $9. This person has won $144, guys. So this is basically how it looks. It shows you the leaderboard. And if we look at this one here, you're going to see that when you actually win something, it's gonna look like this. They're gonna send you a message like this: you are the winner, congrats, you won $10. Play more to win more, share and cash your prizes, guys. So this app here, all you've got to do to win is to simply play the games here. Okay, and the game is basically answering questions. Okay, as you answer these questions, you collect more points, and these questions cover a lot of topics, from technology to sports to culture to movies to history, games to general knowledge, guys. So that's it. Please keep watching, because I'm gonna show you a bonus app that is also gonna add to your earnings. Okay, so if you like making money online by playing games and answering questions like this, then the next app, you are also going to like it. Okay, so all you need to do is to come to Play Store and search this game here, Play and Win. Okay, so this is the app you are gonna make sure you are installing. So you're gonna click this install button and install this app. If you can see here, as you can see here, it has over 1 million downloads. Okay, and it has a 3.6 star review over here. So this app is basically all about answering questions, and then you collect points, and then you stand a chance of winning cash prizes. Okay, you might want to try this app. If you're interested, you click the install button and you are gonna install it on your mobile phone. So now let's move on to the next app. On this next app, you can see here today's prize, $10,000. You could win up to $10,000. This is a bold claim on this app. Okay, and what do you have to do? All you have to do is to simply log into this app every day and then answer questions. Okay, it's basically like the previous app. You answer questions and solve word puzzles, and then you stand a chance of winning cash prizes, guys. So this is basically how this one works. Okay, just like the previous one. As you can see here, also we've got people on the leaderboard, and now this is pretty interesting. This guy here has won $6,200, $6,023, $5,000 on this app, guys. So if you're somebody who likes making money playing games, then you might want to try this app. Okay, but the results are not typical. You might make more, you might make less, you might make nothing at all. Okay, so basically all you've got to do is to make sure you do your own research and see if this app is worth your time before you download it. Okay, so what app am I talking about? The app I'm talking about here is HQ Trivia. You're gonna go to Play Store and make sure you download this app here, HQ Trivia, and you can see it already has 5 million downloads, guys. Over 31,000 reviews here. Okay, and it has a 3.4 star review on Play Store, guys. So this is the second app, and to show you that people are actually winning money here, we can see an article of this lady here who won £1,300 in HQ Trivia. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link to this article here so you get to read it and learn more and see what she did to be able to win up to that amount. Okay, $1,300 pounds, which is pretty much interesting to know that somebody could win up to that amount. Okay, so now I think you might want to consider trying this out if you love making money playing games. Okay, so it's Brixel Biz, is your guy Ken, signing out.